A group of 14 journalists from various regions of Maharashtra recently embarked on a media tour to the northeastern states of Assam and Meghalaya. This tour was organized under the guidance of the Press Information Bureau Maharashtra and received support from the Press Information Bureau in Shillong and Guwahati as well as Doordarshan Kendra, Shillong. The delegation explored Maulanong and Shnongpreng in Meghalaya, immersing themselves in the local culture and traditions. They also engaged with personnel from the Assam Rifles as well as members of the Northeastern Council and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. During their interaction with members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council on the 31st of October 2023, the Maharashtra media team gained valuable insights into the Council's activities, including customary laws and practices, land and forest preservation, and governance within the Council's jurisdiction.
Opportunity to interact with the people here and to know Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council from different dimensions, including history, functions, and roles. And definitely, we were enlightened about executive, legislative, and judicial powers because this kind of system is very unique to northeastern states, and particularly about Meghalaya, and that too about Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. So we were happy to interact with Honorable Chairman, Deputy CM, and Executive Member, and they enriched our knowledge base, I would say, about the traditions, customs, beliefs of Khasi people, as well as the changes that are taking place, including in urban areas and as well as in community also. So that is definitely a rich cultural exchange, I would say, and I am sure we have made good friends, and we will cherish our friendship together in times to come.
Actually, women are empowered is the good thing. Being woman, I appreciate it. Also, I felt that inheritance is important, is necessary also, because everyone should get right of property and everything. So that is also much needed, I think, step. Though there is a tradition, things are always get changed over the time, and that is also necessary.
So many things nangi nangni, sometimes kajing day kajing don jongka district councils. Nama bisa tu ia po Maharashtra ke nomlong kumakalong ka system kajungi. Yang ni ide iba aja ya kalong kami. Ya something about it is a matrilineal society. Yeah. I think you understand that we are very unique and different. Regarding on the land issue also is very different. Here we have the community land. You don't diklau hima, diklau rai, diklau shnong, diklau simet. Kamlong kubalong apa Maharashtra. Tinang tala dia kerana ka forest ku ani ya iklau adong, iklau shnong, iklau pur kaya per. Tinang ta kajnya day bat ka jingdon juga district council put ke jongi ka ba Prengki tribal ka kes ka dia po ka district council put jongi nang ta iba pun tuwi itu ibang yakren. It is a very beautiful meeting that we get this opportunity to interact with our friends from different media house in Maharashtra. So we also will learn many things from you regarding Maharashtra, because I think Maharashtra is a very big state. So kami kan mau ingin minta kami jangan kalau kita interact dengan jongki